got aubergine, zucchini, carrots, more onion, lentils, and garlic. So I'm using red lentils, but you can use any other lentils that you like. So first thing you want to do is chop your onion into nice fine pieces. I like to chop it very, very fine. And then do the same with your garlic, nice and chunky pieces, but you can also use a little grater if you wish. Add olive oil into your pan together with your onions and garlic, and we're going to saute that for about 5 minutes or so to really release the flavors of our delicious food. You'll start to smell the onion and it will caramelize a little bit and become golden. Next, you want to take your carrots, and you can grate these or you can chop them into circles like I'm doing here. I decided to chop them more for texture because, I want to make sure I'm eating delicious, curry with all the veggies. So once that's chopped, you're going to add this into your onion mixture and leave it to cook for further 5 minutes or so. Then take your aubergine and chop it off from all the sides. I usually like to peel off the skin. You can leave the skin or you can peel it off. It's completely up to you. And then just cut your aubergine in half and then in half again. And I do like to keep large chunks of the aubergine, so I just cut them across a couple of times just like so. They will soften and reduce while they're cooking, so I don't like to cut them too small. Then we're going to do the same with our zucchini. Just take your zucchini, chop off the ends or any other bits that you need, and cut your zucchini into large chunks just like so. Once your carrots and onions have been sauteing, you want to add your aubergine and mix everything through one more time and just give it a nice stir. Then you're going to add a can of chopped tomatoes. You can get the tomatoes in their juice or just like the ones I have here. Then add coconut milk, and I'm also adding turmeric and some ginger and some curry mixture. This is optional, but if you wanted a little bit of flavor, you could add that in. And then I'm adding more of my vegetable stock inside. Then what you want to do, you just want to mix everything together and you will get this beautiful golden color already. And once you mixed everything through, you're then gonna drop in your lentils. I don't soak them before. Red lentils cook pretty fast. You just want to add those in, mix them through. You just want to mix everything through and leave it to cook. Take your chicken breast and cut it into nice thin pieces, just like so. And I like to use a lot of chicken. Again, don't forget it will shrink while it's baking. And you just want to add your chicken together with your lentils and vegetables and mix everything one more time until it's nice and mixed. The mixture will start to thicken up because of lentils and vegetables, so feel free to add some water. I'm just using a little bit of water, and if your water starts to evaporate, feel free to add more water. And as you go, you want to cook this on low heat because we want all the vegetables to stew together. And of course for our chicken to cook. So usually I cook this for about 20 minutes or so, and as you can see I keep adding water just to make sure it doesn't burn and our delicious chicken curry with lentils is cooked. For extra boost, you want to add your zucchini together with broccoli and cauliflower into a pot and steam it separately. And then what I usually do, I leave it to cool down, and once my curry is done, I divide the chicken curry into my pot, and then I add my zucchini and all my delicious green vegetables and divide it between the mixture. We do have a lot of vegetables inside the actual curry, but of course if this is a super healthy meal prep, you just want to get more veggies inside. So just add those in, and if you wanted to add anything else, feel free to do so. Enjoy this meal prep, and I can't wait to see your dishes.